Reddit. What's your go-to midnight snack? I'll never forget the night I stumbled upon my unusual go-to midnight snack. It was 2 a.m. and I was starving, so I raided the kitchen. Out of desperation, I grabbed a jar of pickles and a jar of peanut butter. As I stood there, delirious and hungry, I had a wild idea. Why not combine the two? I scooped out a pickle, slathered it with peanut butter, and took a huge bite. The crunch of the pickle mixed with the creamy peanut butter sent my taste buds into a frenzy. Surprisingly, it was a match made in snack heaven. Since then, whenever hunger strikes in the dead of night, my trusty pickles and peanut butter never disappoint.